What up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing off my level 4 and of everything and all the classes and functions that I made to make it up and going. And then I want to show off the level up class, and then we'll go over the state of the game. So we'll go through all the levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 just to kind of see what everything is looking like. And then we will kind of start putting together level 5 and looking at level 5. So let's jump into the code and let's jump into the game and see what it looks like now. So it's this hasn't really changed. So we'll say Squirtle's quest, and then we press start. So now we got our 1-up back. So now we can collect our 1-up and everything. We'll collect our key because it's level 1 and it's easy. So we'll get through level 1. And now, we got to collect all the 6 stars to get the key. So avoid the gators. So there's our level 2 1-up there, and a little bit more of a challenging spot. And not all the 1-ups are going to be challenging. Well, there we go. We're back at the beginning. Let's grab our key. So let's get through level 2. There we go. Everything seems to be finally working, because in the old game, these crabs would sometimes like disappear and everything like that. So I'm glad to see that it is consistently working. Oh crap! Let's not forget to grab the key. I don't want to come back. Not really sure why we're lagging here. That's kind of frustrating. It's always this level for some reason. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is wow, not supposed to be this frustrating. So there we go. He comes along. He opens up our vine. We have our key. We'll push him down. He comes along. We're not going to try to do the fast cycle. We're just going to let it come. All right, so there we go. And then we can come over here. And there is there is that over there. So if you wanted to try to go grab that, you can. So anyways, we'll just get past this. We'll have to look at level 3. Something's going on there. I don't understand why it's going so on smooth. So here is our level 4, the new one. So we have to collect our flies. So we got to collect our flies just like in the old one, but now he actually eats them when they get over there. And then after you feed them his flies, he gives us our key. And then we will go ahead and get past our level 2 or room 2. So here's our monsters. And then there we go. That would be our level 4. So to get level 4 accomplished, I had to make 3 more classes in our good guy class. And that was our lizard, our flies, and our cactus. Our cactus handles our fly class, so we're gonna go over our cactus first. So all we did was we decided, probably should put it in a better order, but first we just checked to see if our cactus was touched or by the player or hit by the player, and then if it was hit by the player, we decide which cactus was hit and which fly to draw. And then we put all of that together and put both the cactus on the screen, and then we put our collision functions in there and our draw the fly functions in there, which is pulling from our fly class, which has in cage, captured, move to cage, hit cactus, fly around, and then draw the flies. Our hit cactus is just a collision function to see if it is hit our cactus and bounced to make it look like it's bouncing off our cactus. The move to the cage is if our player has collected the fly and put it over there. Our captured is just the collision between the fly and the player. The in the cage is the coordinates for the fly to bounce around, so it looks like it's bouncing around in the cage. And then our fly around is it when it is flying around the cactus. And then we just put all of these functions into our draw flies function if our eaten is false, and then if it is true, if the lizard's eaten it, we just unload it. So that is our fly, and then our lizard is just we gave him a text. If he hasn't eaten the flies, he says I'm hungry, and then if he has eaten the flies, then he will say this. And then this is just to see how far he moves up. This is the collision, so he knows when to eat the flies. This is the collision for when he talks to you. And then this is where we put it all together. Just load all of our functions that we have up here, and then we put it on the screen. And that's pretty much it for our lizard and our good guys. And then for our bad guys, we just pretty much had to add the scorpion, which is just a move function and a draw function. And the move function just decides what room it's in and then what scorpion it is, because they have different areas I want them to turn around at. So that is all of that. And then just added some new walls and to put it together and everything like that. So um, that's how I put my level 4 together. I think the code is still pretty clean compared to what it was, because it's all still collapsible and everything like that. So we can, to finish off this video, let's go ahead and look at our level 5 in our if I remember right, yeah, this is the maze. So we're gonna have to go to our maze class, and back up here there's that really long, yeah, here we go. So all of these, we're gonna need all of this, so 1 through 30. Yeah, we're gonna need, oh boy. So I'm probably not going to put all of our walls in the video because that's a lot of work. I'm probably just going to get the background and stuff started so we can at least go to level 5. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go if bgf.all. Basically this, we're just maybe we should try to make this a repeat dungeon. I might put this into its own little function so I can just put. Let's do that right now. Actually, we're gonna put choose, and this might not work. Choose level, and this is going to take self. And that might be it, because I'm literally just going to go. Oh, we do need another one. Okay, so what do we want to replace? We want to replace the level, and this is going to be an integer. Um, this is going to return, I guess, none. It's just meant to be called. So BGF levels, level count, and this is going to be equals level. And then here we're going to need to put in F string. And then we need to make this level just like that. So let's just go ahead and go self.choose underscore level 1. Um, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that way we don't have to like keep constantly typing this out and all. It looks. So let's just go ahead and run this to see if we broke it. Nope. Look at that. So let's see if we can still change level. And perfect. So now, when we're adding a level, all we have to do is put self-choose level, change the 6 instead of typing this out every time. So that's a big improvement. So now we have our level 5 here. Let's go to our background functions. Whoops. Uh-oh. There we go. And then we want the lives not in this one. Whoops. Okay, and then did we change? No. Okay. Whoops. Whoops. Just trying to make a class level _5, and this one's going to take the levels for our parent class. EV. If I can spell, oh my goodness. And then we're going to copy and paste because like I said, I don't want to keep typing this out all the dang time. I wish you could throw this into a repeat type function, but you can't. So then, we just go definition, draw _level, self, and then screen. And this is none. And this is none. Just so we can get this to be a Pygame surface. Okay. And then we're just going to go self dot load underscore our background, and then our screen dot blit self dot image self dot rect. Self.rect. Okay, so that's that. Then this is going to be the same. So we're gonna want all of this. Yeah, we don't want that one yet. So we want these ones. And then I want my turtle. Okay, so that should be, there we go. Control C. Okay. Now we need to make this 5, and then we need to make this 5. Where were we going to have? So the width times 0.9, and then our height is going to be 0. Oh yeah, we also on this one wanted to introduce the heat bar. Heat underscore bar dot draw. And this one takes the screen, and then the turtle. All turtles. There we go. We just need to add that. Okay, so now over here, let's say width was times 0.9, and then our height was 0. This is 5, and this is 5. All right, let's go ahead and see if that is good enough to get us on. No, we got an error. What is... Oh, because we forgot to do one thing. We forgot to come up here into our levels, and we forgot to tell our load background elif. So just for the moment, we're going to go elif self image is none, and self dot level is equal to 5, and self dot room is equal to 0, or self dot room equal to 1, and then need to go self dot image is equal to backgrounds level 5. There we go. Now let's try. Yes, but we got a bunch of stuff that I don't want on here. I think we still have a bunch of stuff. I don't know why it does that. Whatever. We're just gonna go like this. Did we? I think we accidentally copied something from. No, we should try again. I don't know why it does that. Why? What's going on, guys? I don't get this. Oh, that's why. Okay. Now let's go ahead and try. There we go. And we have our heat bar. We were supposed to spawn up here. And this is the level where we are going to have our maze. Let's see if our heat bar still... Let's see if our heat bar still has the functionality. It does. Hey, and even put us in the right spot. Okay, so now one thing I want to do really fast, I also want to bring our puddles class in. This one should also be a pretty much copy and paste over class, because it was just a wherever it is, it was just kind of a background function anyways. There it is. So let's grab all this. Let's take this over to our game functions. We'll put this by the heat bar because it goes together with the heat bar. Okay, there we go. I will type in this off video, but we should be able to use this. Let's just get one puddle on the screen for the moment just to see what it looks like. The puddles equal to, and then this will be, oops, level 5. This will, what did I call it? Puddle. And then what did I need for an X? Like I said, we'll just kind of do 300, 300. I do not know what the width was. We can just go ahead and go to our maze classes, and we can literally just copy this, I guess, under our game functions. So we can literally just copy this, That should be good. And now let's go over to our background functions under our level 5 and just our level. So gf dot puddle. Oh, the puddles. Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought I created one, but I did. Level 5 dot raw screen. All right, let's see if it doesn't seem right though. I thought we had more. I thought it was more to that. Oh no. I was gonna say, I thought there should have been heat and turtle. All right, that's it. And then we're gonna go self.in puddle and then heat and turtle, whatever. It's supposed to be player. Okay, so now we need to go over here to our background functions, and then the heat will be gf. Whoops. This will be gf dot heat underscore bar, and this will be the good guys dot all turtles, and then my player. Okay, let's go ahead and see what that looks like. No video mode has been set. What is that? What do you mean? Uh-oh. Is this supposed to be an alpha? What? I don't understand what that means. Well, I guess this is where we're gonna have to end the video, guys. I really have no idea what that means. But that is kind of the state of the game. Once again, I'll put this on my GitHub at Skinny Gilmore 1029 if you want to go there and check this out and play around with it yourself and see if you can come up with a fix for whatever's happening here. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.